we are going to see one more type of face fillet. So just select fillet and we will see what is face fillet. So select face fillet. In face fillet you have to select two faces or two planes. So first define your radius, let's say 6 mm. Select this face first and select second face. See it radius created here. If you want to make fillet here, so choose this one. Here also created. If you want to make fillet here, choose here. If you want to make fillet here also, choose here. I think it will not take. Here two parts of body. So in some places we require this face fillet. Select OK. Now see the edges become sharp, radius. We selected 6 mm. So I hope you understand what is face fillet.